This little girl is native Irish. Owls are funny. They're very idiosyncratic little creatures. They're very unlike most of the birds. She's very blind up close. She can't see my face clearly this close up. So she's not trying to bite my hand. She's feeling like she's reading Braille. That fluffy texture so that he doesn't make a sound. And he's got a really big wingspan for how big he is. He's not that heavy. He's a little under 3 pounds. And peregrines are actually doing really well in downtown New York, downtown New Jersey, because they love nesting on cliff faces. He's very different from an owl. An owl wants fluffy things on the ground. He wants to hit other birds out of the sky.
Let's see him.
He's fluffy.
So I saw videos of people talking about how crazy the wind and the rain was, and they were telling us how we should get waterproof jackets, not umbrellas, because the wind is so crazy that the umbrellas will just fly away. So before actually coming here, I stopped by Uniqlo and I got this jacket. I don't remember what they called it, but it's literally just a jacket for like weather situations, just a basic black jacket. They didn't have my size. I had to go with a size large in this, so it is pretty big on me, but it has been so useful the past 2 days because it's been raining nonstop. Well, it was raining nonstop yesterday, and today the winds have been insane. Like, I would have been eating my hair if I didn't have this. And this thing has been repelling the rain. Like, it's just been sliding off of me, and it's been helping with the winds. Like, this is perfect for Ireland. I just got back from tea time. Brian is out playing golf with his brother, and what we're gonna do tonight is go to a nice dinner. So we have a lot more left to do on this trip, and I'm so excited. I'm having the best time ever. After a very delicious dinner, we're in bed, and this is our last night in this castle, right? He's over here munching on pistachio fudge. That's incredible. What they did, I think this was housekeeping, right? They gave us like a little bag. They left it on our door with 2 waters and some eye masks. So that's what we're gonna do now. So for these, you're supposed to open your mask, put it over the eyes, and then within a couple of minutes, you'll be able to feel the gentle heat sensation of the mask warming up, because this is supposed to be self-heating. No, I guess we just wear it. So I guess it just heats up once you put it on. And then it's supposed to help you go to sleep. All right, we'll see if it works after 25 minutes.
1861, when Queen Victoria came to Ireland. She brought in the Japanese bamboo, and she brought in the Japanese sequoia deer. Tommy? See the one?
And the other 9,000 acres is under water of the 3 lakes. This lake here, and then Muckross Lake, and then the smallest lake is the Upper Lake.
So my name is Evan. I'm giving a dog demonstration here this evening. So the dog I'm using is Taff. So Taff is down the bottom there, and she's a 5.5-year-old border collie. So I have 6 dogs, all border collies. So she'll keep going in that whistle until her next whistle. So the training is to go the long way along the perimeter fence. So she'll be down there in a few seconds. She's going to cover, she's nearly at the back. Look, she's away down the bottom there already. So that's a stop whistle. Now this is her right. It looks like your left, but it's her right. So that's a very important command. I'm leaving her miss them sheep now. Color is just identification. So if your sheep mix up with your neighbours, you know straight away just by the colours if they're yours.
Ireland has so much incredible food. I didn't expect to like almost everything that I ate in every single restaurant that I would go to, whether it's lunch or dinner. The food is so good no matter what you get. It's amazing. I pretty much only have just liked small things like breakfast, their breakfast sausage. That was it. Everything else has been incredible and everything's been so fun. First of all, those eye masks actually did heat up by themselves. That was so cool. But we left the last place that we were staying at, which was Dromoland Castle, and now we are in Sheen Falls Lodge, and both places are just incredible. Service is 100 out of 10. Today we went to see the Kerry Cliffs because we didn't get to see the Cliffs of Moher when we first got here, and then we went to see a sheepdog demonstration, and that was adorable. That was so fun. We've been seeing sheep everywhere, which is what I expected, but it's like a lot more than I expected, and I've just been loving every second of it. I love seeing them. Tomorrow we are leaving this location and we're going, I think, to Cork, and we're gonna do a food tour, and then we're going to go to the whiskey distillery, I believe, to do whiskey tasting, and then we're gonna go to Dublin, and I'm so excited. This trip has been amazing. We've been having so much fun, and I cannot wait until the rest of the trip.
Food photos.
I like videos.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Brilliant. It's delicious, isn't it? If you want to taste it when it's cooked at home, it's amazing.
The pie guys, they've got a huge staff of 6 people. They've got 2 different places. Jamie is one of the co-owners. We're having his statement pie.
Much superior to Guinness.
That's
Everything
incredible.
from Cork is, without a doubt.
How was that?
Bigger than I was thinking. Very meaty, very good.
But as you can kind of see, it is a fairly nice genuinely very expensive stuff. This was considered state-of-the-art technology for its time. But basically, this was our backup source of power if the wheel outside couldn't actually move. Officially called New Make Spirit, by the way. So that is the official name. Unofficially in Ireland, you might have heard it called Pachin, or if you know it from abroad, moonshine. So looks like water. It does not taste like it if you've ever had it. Now the second one here, this is after maturing for 3 years. You kind of know what to expect, right? That bourbon barrel will give you vanilla. It will give you caramel, sweetness. Sherry buff gives you fruitiness. I reckon that adds up, I suppose, as well. But yeah, you kind of sit anywhere that you kind of like there. So you'll see that we have Powers John's Lane, Redbreast 15 in this case, then Milton Very Rare 2024. So have any of you had like any of these whiskeys before?
Today's just one of those days where I have to wear my glasses because I've been wearing my contacts for the past few days all day, every day, and that really dries my eyes out. So I'm wearing my glasses even though I really do not want to. So we have been having, literally every single place that we've been having coffee in has had the cutest coffee set. Like, this is so pretty. Every single hotel, everywhere we've gone has had the prettiest coffee sets and tea sets and espresso sets. So now I want to go home and go shopping for some coffee and espresso sets. Yesterday we went to the Jameson distillery to do some whiskey tasting and whiskey tour of the facility, and it was so cool. I hate whiskey, but it was a fun experience. really liked it. So now we're going to Dublin. I really wanted to do some shopping while I was here in Cork, but it didn't work out. Like, we wanted to go this morning, and if we were to drive down there, the drive is typically 5 minutes to get to where we want to go for shopping, but this morning it doubled up to 20 something minutes because of traffic, and walking there, just the roads are so narrow, we would end up getting sideswiped, and we did not want to deal with that. So we're just gonna do our shopping in Dublin. Also, my bag, look at this. My bag, the zipper broke. Like, it broke while I was trying to close it, and then my fiance was trying to like get it to open back up, and then this part of the zipper broke. So I heard that if you take this to Longchamp that they'll repair the zipper, so I'm hoping they can do that, because this is literally one of my favorite bags, and it's the bag that I always take when I travel because it holds so much stuff. So that's unfortunate. They are going to come and grab all of our stuff and take it downstairs. I'm just gonna go down, hang out a little bit, and just relax until we get picked up and go to our next location.